We've had a few challenges in our last production. One day we came to the farm and we lost about 12 birds. And so we've decided to take the bull by the horn, right? So this time around we are trying to disinfect this poultry house properly. We've sold out that particular batch. So what we did first was to this poultry house first with detergent. So the detergent of choice, anyone you could lay your hands on. This is what we use. We're not trying to advertise any product, any multi-purpose detergent. We've washed the floor thoroughly clean, and then we also use hypo to disinfect the floor. So this is a bleach, okay? So this is a bleach that kills 99% germs. We didn't stop at that. We also had to go and get Izal. Izal is a phenol-based disinfectant, and this is what we have reconstituted in the water. This is it here. This is the Izal. We are going to also spray it once more on the whole pane, the floor, the walls, the zinc. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to use this our pressure washer to actually do that, and that's what we're going to do in a few minutes or thereabouts. As you can see, the cage have been washed thoroughly. You're not seeing residue of manure or poultry droppings because we've thoroughly washed them. And after we are going to use this Izal to disinfect the pen, we're also going to use another disinfectant. This is polydine. Okay, this is an iodine-based disinfectant. We are doing all this because we are not trying to totally or completely destroy all the germs or virus that are present in this farm. We can't actually do that. No one can do that. But at least to some extent, let us clear them. And then the birds are going to come in on Tuesday or thereabouts. We're also going to approach matters differently. We are going to change our feed, and we're going to do a little experimental design to see if the feed is going to give us a much better result. Before now, we had been using Ultima, so we're changing to CF. So the CF feed we are going to use, if you're going to follow us throughout this particular production, you're going to see the results we are going to get. So if you're interested in finding out that experiment, if CF feed is going to give us a much better result, then you should hang on to this channel, subscribe, and follow us, so that we're going to take you through the process, the challenges, the successes, whatever problem we are going to encounter. We're going to document them, provide solutions so that you won't make the same mistake. If you know that this content is something you would appreciate, invite others to also share and join this channel. Okay, we're going to make everything transparent and result oriented so that you can learn, right? Okay, so this is the Izal we had used. I have reconstituted it. It's much concentrated, and we're going to start the disinfecting. We're going to insert the battery so that we can start using that. So this is what we're going to have. I'm going to disinfect all the walls, the zinc, okay, so that we make sure that the Izal disinfectant touches everywhere, including the zinc. That's what we're going to do, so that we're sure that nothing is left without disinfectant or disinfecting the surface. So if you have this kind of machine, it makes your work much easier. So if there's any residual bacteria or virus here, you should be able to take care of that. So that's it, guys. Follow us and let's learn together.